Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has revolutionized outdoor cooking, the Traeger Pro 34 electric wood pellet grill and smoker. We found this impressive grill online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the Traeger Pro 34 stand out. This is not just any grill, it's a wood pellet grill designed to give you that authentic wood-fired taste that traditional gas or charcoal grills simply can't match. With a cooking area of 884 square inches, this grill offers ample space to accommodate everything from family meals to large gatherings. One of the standout features of the Traeger Pro 34 is its 6-in-1 versatility. Whether you want to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, or barbecue, this grill can do it all. It allows you to cook hot and fast or low and slow, making it suitable for a variety of cooking styles. The temperature range goes up to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing you with the flexibility to achieve the perfect results for whatever dish you're preparing. The Traeger Pro 34 is built to last, made from heavy-duty, all-weather materials that protect it from the elements. Whether it's rain, sun, or snow, you can trust that this grill will stay in prime condition, ensuring your outdoor cooking experience is not only enjoyable but also hassle-free. It also features a water-resistant design, which helps keep your grill dry, further extending its lifespan and performance. So, who is the Traeger Pro 34 suitable for? If you're someone who loves outdoor cooking and hosting gatherings, this grill is a fantastic addition to your backyard. It's perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned pitmasters. If you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, you'll appreciate the versatility and control that this grill offers. Plus, with its ability to maintain consistent temperatures, you can achieve restaurant-quality results right at home. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a barbecue party with friends and family. You can smoke briskets for several hours, grill burgers, and bake a delicious pie, all on the same grill. The ability to switch between cooking methods means you can create a full-course meal without needing multiple appliances. Or perhaps you want to impress your guests with a slow-smoked, tender rack of ribs. With the Traeger Pro 34, you can set it up, let it do its magic, and enjoy your time with friends while the grill works for you. It's an excellent option for meal prep, too. You can cook in bulk and store the delicious results for the week ahead. In conclusion, the Traeger Pro 34 electric wood pellet grill and smoker is truly a game-changer for anyone who enjoys grilling and smoking their food. Its versatility, heavy-duty construction, and ability to deliver that sought-after wood-fired flavor make it a top choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this grill will meet your needs and elevate your culinary experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.